It's gotta be 95 degrees, 100% humidity today. How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're in CALBAYOG City.
Hi, you're here. We're going to shopping though.
We're gonna go buy some clothes for Rochelle, who's decided to join us for another night.
Saan? May QR code ka? May QR code ka? QR code? Okay na? Bis ko lang QR code.
Thank you, sir. Okay. The girls are gonna do some shopping before we head out to the Chateau de French. Babe, where are we right now?
In the Gmail store. Oh, simple.
We're in the Gemma store. Rochelle is gonna come with us because tonight I kind of wanted a third person to be there in case I decide to pop the question.
lost my senses, then be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I was running from myself those days, always breathless, search for something safe. And then I smashed into that golden face. And for the first time, I don't run away. We danced together till we got it right. Ups and downs through many days and nights. You appeared to be my guiding light. And at the same time, I realized, oh baby, when you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. Oh baby, as long as I got you. Oh baby, baby, as long as you want me to. As long as I got you, you. As long as I got you. We faced the dark like if we weren't scared.